Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the registered lease deed, registration receipt, and ID proofs for both parties because the registry office requires originals. Once you have these, draft a clear written notice stating termination date and grounds. Sign it in the presence of a witness. Then serve the notice to the other party by hand or registered post and record delivery proof. Make sure to date stamp everything because the cancellation timeline hinges on the served notice and original registration evidence. Once the other party acknowledges, negotiate settlement terms, amounts, deposit refunds, and effective vacate date, so there is no dispute at registration. If you both consent, prepare a cancellation deed that cites the original deed number, registration details, and explicitly revokes prior rights. Include witness names and signatures. If unilateral, attach proof of breach and served notices. Make sure both parties sign before two witnesses. This prevents later contested claims and smooths the registry appointment. You must book an appointment at the same registry where the lease was registered or follow local online booking. On the day, present original deed, signed cancellation deed, ID proofs, and two witnesses. Pay the prescribed fee. Once the registrar stamps and records the cancellation deed, collect the registered copy and note the registration number. Then update municipal property records and utility accounts to reflect termination. Troubleshooting tip. If registration is refused, request a written refusal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.